attempt number 3 to go camping. We'll see what happens. I don't really feel like driving back today. Can you see it? So anyway, is it a road trip in the Midwest without a quick trip stop? No. 310, 12 degrees, north side of Anago. Four o'clock. I don't think there's gonna be anything for a sunset because it got cloudy. It says there's a campground in 16 miles if I choose that option. I don't know actually how far I'm supposed to go. But 16 miles to a campground, or whatever I find. This is the National Forest. Just kind of driving around, seeing where there is to park, making mental notes if my first plan doesn't work out. First area. So. Are getting smaller. I don't know if this actually comes out, but scouting. It's right around sunset at the moment. Cloudy. So not on no sunset tonight. I'm just trying to find a nice quiet campsite, camp area, parking spot. Oh, I thought you'd be able to see more. What do we got here? Boat landing. Boat landing. What's it say here? No camping. No camping. Now I'm to the point where if I have to turn around, it's gonna be a real big struggle. Real big. I have to get past another car, still a pain in the butt. But there's supposed to be a campground back here or something. Just checking out. Probably not using, but checking out. Oh, that was not the right way to go. Found somebody's driveway to turn her back into and turn around. That's where I came from. Come on, girl. Yeah, man. Onward. Onward. GPS looks like that. Should get less people-ish back here somewhere. I would assume they'll stop plowing. So we'll check this out, I guess. Be the worst spot, I guess. Might be the worst spot. But we're gonna keep going. Keep going. It does not appear like the campground is open. But yeah. 10 after 5, 9 degrees out, going around the other side of the lake now because the road's closed on that side. I assume it'll be closed on this side somewhere, but maybe we'll get lucky and be able to get through most of the way. Well, this is taking entirely longer than I thought. I had to do a little pit stop. We're like half hour longer than I was expecting. I don't know how far we're gonna make it on the other side, but we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. It's quarter after 5. Not that late. Supposed campground again. Maybe. But I'm assuming I'll be turning around. Just exploring. Just exploring. Well, that's basically a bust. It's a little boat landing, but it says new camping. This is a campground, but all the things are shut. They don't want any riffraff in the winter coming in. Well, I'm attempting to come in anyway. Onward. There's still some kind of car that drove down this, so we're fine. 5:30, 8 degrees. Well, we are gonna call this good. I don't really know. It's okay. We're gonna do a timing thing here in a second. 6 o'clock, 8 degrees. This feels pretty level. My truck says it's level, but it's a little tipped back. I got everything I need. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3. 30 seconds in. Lights off. Grab that. Oh, hurry! We're racing. We're racing. Hurry! Hurry! We're racing. Come on. You're wasting all kinds of time. Oh, it's taking so long. So long. Let's do, does it show you there? 65. 240. Sure. On. What was that, 2 minutes? Oh, and technically I could just lay down. This is for resting, but minute and a half. Burr. So what are we at here? Battery's at 75%. 126 watts means the glow plug's going. One day doing this shit. That light is bright. Oh, that's the light I can turn on. There's a fuel pump. Fan's starting to go. It took entirely longer to find a spot than I was expecting, but I guess that's because I went the other way. If I would have went straight here, I would have been here quite a while ago. So that's fine. Ugh. Oh, that's what I was gonna do. Grab my big boots. Yeah, I'm just gonna chill out in here for a while. Let it heat up, get it warmed up in here, and then get a few things organized, and then make some dinner. She's just a purring. I think the glow plug's still going. 14 hours like this. What we got? Oh, we got lights going. So that's all these lights going. You see. What do we got? Oh, I got warm air starting. I'm just about going to be making a huge mess again. But at least try to keep the... Oh yeah, that's nice. That's nice. Okay, so that goes down to the access to the big lake. Butternut, I think. And that goes back towards civilization. This is just a loop out. This is the... I mean, it's level. I kind of wish I would have got some wood now. The campfire wouldn't have been bad. Looks way out of level, but whatever. What do we got here? Chair. And this. We got a couple things. I gotta grab my stove yet. My stove. Come on, turn off. Hello. There we go. All lights off. Well, we got boobs bibs, and here's my cooking. Food. Rest of my cooking. I gotta turn this. I don't know how to video this. I think I'm just gonna give up on the videoing. Alright, so, sitting in bed right now. Look to the back, I got my bibs. That covers the back window. Diesel heater is going. Got my boots for if I go out later. So my current, what it looks like, I got everything from back here moved. This I just brought in because I was lazy. Okay, so this is flipped up. I just got a wing nut and it flips up. I'll be honest, I haven't actually used this yet, so this should be exciting. This should be exciting. I need two hands. I'm gonna have to open more ventilation here because that throws off a lot of heat. But okay, continuing on. Oh, so anyway, this is my stove. Oh. Is that hot? Probably don't grab the metal that's holding that. Probably don't do that. Look at that. Okay, so when you're camping, you try to one pot meals. I'll show you everything in a second. So, stove is good. I might open the window more. I need to figure out a way to... If anybody knows how to keep that open just partial way, like I want to be able to, like how do I have it open like this much? My old one, I just put a board in, but this one, if it goes more than just a little ways, it flaps up. I gotta see what that thing's doing. It changed. It's still blowing hot. Just changed frequencies. Anyway, I'm gonna get some food out. Alright. I thought it was 4 ingredients, it's 5. So we're making chicken enchiladas, essentially. Sometimes I use big ones. Today I just got small ones, so I'll make like 3 or 4. But tortillas, just some can of chicken. I like sour cream, green chili, mild cheese, because that's just what I grabbed. But 5 ingredient chicken enchiladas in the truck. Oh, and homemade banana bread muffins that I made last night. So yeah, got that open, got that cracked. This would normally be in my truck, but I was lazy. So, yep, here we go. Step 2. Get a little hole, drain the water, open it up, get it going. Okay, so. Chicken in. Okay, green chili, or I don't know what, you'll have to use something like that. I just get it off of Amazon because I'm in Wisconsin. Mix it into the chicken. We're looking. Sorry. So green chili, chicken, however much you feel. Kind of taste, I don't know, I did that much. So 1/5 or 1/6 of this. 4 ounces, 3-4 ounces. Next, we're just gonna start slowly heating this up and adding a little bit of cheese at a time until we get it whatever consistency you like. I like a lot, so I'm just gonna start heating up and try to do this without making too much steam. Again, cheese. I'm sure we'll be putting more, but that's where we're gonna start. Okay, low setting, like that. There we go, and we're off. Like I said, we'll add a little bit more cheese if we need to. Sour cream. Those, done. Got my plate over here. So, yep. I wish I had a thermometer to see how warm it is in here. This thing's still just puking out nice warm air. Alright, so we got it on low heat. Nope, it can just sit for a little while. It's gonna start boiling. It only takes I'm gonna run it on low. I did one little mix up. Let's see what she's looking like. Well, it's not bad. We're gonna let that boil a little bit. Let that boil for a few minutes. I've got that open. I've got this all cracked. I think I'll be alright. Carbon monoxide, I probably should have brought a carbon monoxide detector. Don't hate me too much. This is really bright. More cheese. More cheese. Oh, whoa, whoa. Fire. Okay, so I think maybe you're essentially making a cheesy chicken green chili fondue. What do we got here for consistency? Maybe a little cheese. Just because. I didn't use the whole bag yet. Okay. I think she's ready. Alright, well. just sits. You can actually dip. I used to just dip in. I'd put that in my lap. If I was eating outside, I would take that and put it in my lap to keep warm. I would just dip that in like nachos. But we have 5 ingredient chicken enchilada taco things. Like I said, you can also just have it like a fondue. It doesn't matter. We got here. Round 2. I probably should have made this into 5. We're gonna clean that out quick. I just wipe it out with a napkin or paper towel and call it a day. We're gonna have to scoop some out of there. That bitch is girthy. Well, I can only imagine the mess that would make. But if you try it, let me know. I don't know. It's easy. It cleans up easy. Paper plate, a couple napkins. Done. Okay, we got sitting in bed. That's where I was cooking. Oh,
and I'm certainly
we got,
not ruling out that we're going to find something on the way back.
I think it's Fishing with Smalls is on. Fishing with Smalls and
that's really not a bad rope at all. Things run dang near
whatever the fuck his name is. Sorry. Watching that, eating some food. That cord's charging my phone. Oh, we're having a good. Everything covered in the back right now. It's, I don't know. It's probably 50 in here, I'd want to say. Watching some downloaded YouTube. That's my music phone. And I got other crap downloaded. Oh, I couldn't quite do it. Oh, that was actually good. I haven't had that in a while. So, finished cleaning up. And then I gotta go outside and want to put this away. But I'll get this picked up quick. What do we got? 8 o'clock, 72%. Without a phone plugged in, we got... It's still blowing hot. I forget how many lights. I can turn the lights off. That must be it on low right now. I don't know if it's 60 degrees in here. I think that's a lie. Okay. So that's good. I had it turned down to 60 and it was really quiet. I just turned it up to 66. And it like doubled in noise. I forgot to put that away. Idiot. But yeah, I'm just gonna sit in bed. Maybe watch some TV. I was supposed to edit a video, but we'll see how that goes. Well, everything's going well so far, so yeah. Everything's going well. Thankfully everything's made out of wood in here. Forgot my speaker, but what do I want to do? I need to edit and get that video done. Work through the morning. Just started at least tonight. I hate editing. It's hard for me to get into. All right, sit rep. I woke up and it's cold in here. I'm either out of fuel or my fuel is frozen up, I think, because she won't start up right now. So that's annoying. So right now the glow plug's trying to go. You can hear the pump. I'm thinking it's just it's either out of fuel or it's frozen up. It's trying to fire right now. It should just go, but it's not. So that sucks. Oops. Well, this is my view. It's quiet because the diesel heater isn't running because either Either it's out of fuel, which I didn't fill it, so it could be. Which I shook. That's the diesel can there. I shook it, and there feels like there's diesel in it, but it might be. Where that blue thing goes in. That's the fuel. So if what's in the tank is below, or if the thing goes down in the tank and it's below it, well then it's not going to get fuel. But yeah, I don't know, the forecast, I don't have a thermometer, like I said, the forecast is -8, -10, something like that. It's time to change into some clothes. Slept good though. Slept good. I don't know if you can hear the pump. It's trying to run. Oops. She just won't go. Well, I was gonna sit and edit videos, but since my heat's not working, I guess we will put some clothes on and pack up. Sit rep. I'm out of diesel, which means that doesn't work. Diesel. Very neat. Whoops. Whoops. Out of here. Well. Running out of heating fuel isn't preferred. Not even a little bit, but not bad. Not bad. I'll take it. Goodbye, little campsite. Goodbye. Well, we had a good sleep though. We ran out of fuel. I have to fill that up and make sure it works later. I suppose -1. Or what is it? 950 at 1 degree. Alright, man. 4-wheel drive. I don't really think we need it, but no, we did not need 4-wheel drive. Maybe it was good I put 4-wheel drive on. Alright, well, 10 o'clock. Successful camp for the most part, other than running out of fuel. So, thanks for watching my boring camping video. I am off to go see my grandparents. So, maybe I'll video over there. Peace. Snow machine.